Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can draw with the pencil tool in Adobe Illustrator in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to that example artboard here, zoom into that canvas. So what you want to do is click into the pencil tool here on the left hand side. There is the shortcut P for that. And then guys, start drawing your lines. There are two types of lines you can draw: straight lines and curved lines. So if you'd like to draw a straight line, left click into your canvas to set an anchor, and left click into the canvas again to set the end point or end anchor of your line. That's it. Now you may, for instance, continue setting these lines by left clicking into the canvas to set more endpoints, and that way, for example, create a shape like this. As you can see, it is closed because I have connected all anchor points. So that's how you draw straight lines with the pencil tool. If you'd like to draw curved lines, select the pencil tool again, but this time left click again to set your start point, but this time hold your left mouse without releasing it, and instead, or while doing that, apply a curving effect like this by moving your mouse up and down or to the right, to the left, depending on the curve appearance. Release your left mouse and then the curved line will be added. Now if you release your left mouse, the curved line mode will automatically be maintained by Adobe Illustrator, so that you can, for example, set your next anchor point by left clicking, and then the curve like this will be added. Or if you keep holding your left mouse whenever you set an anchor point, you will be given the opportunity to customize the curving effect and do that again. And that way, for example, draw, I don't know, for instance, a shape like this here. So if you'd like to close the shape, make sure that you reach the start point or the start anchor and click into it, and then the given shape will be added to your canvas. And that's how you use the pencil tool, guys, in 2026 on Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.